Well, we've seen a marginal increase. We've seen the market edge upwards, and the market is getting a lot of support from offshore interests. I think the foreign desk is giving the NAC a lot of support, and we do expect that to continue into the coming week.
Why do you think that the bourse is showing gains today?
Well, there's still a lot of foreign interest in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, and I think this is what is giving the bourse support after, a long streak of losing.
Which stocks would you say showing strength on the bourse currently?
Well, we've seen a lot of action as far as the financials are concerned. Then we've also seen a lot of movement upwards on the industrial counters. So it's a basket.
Okay, well, let's take a look at KenGen. They've had another year of successful trading. What would you say is working in their favor currently?
Well, looking at the prevailing conditions, KenGen basically, as far as power production is concerned, they're facing constraints. The hugest source of energy is hydropower, and with the adverse weather conditions, there's been a deficit as far as energy is concerned. So really, things are a bit bleak for KenGen.
And what would you say is the outlook for KenGen going forward?
Well, KenGen has just had a public infrastructure bond. So what you expect is that most of that money will be channeled into the expansion program, which is aimed at bringing about 500 additional megawatts into the national grid by the year 2013.
And you're very positive about the bourse going forward into next week. Which stocks are you keeping a close eye on?
Well, I'd still remain much more on the financials. Barclays Bank, we've seen Barclays Bank edge marginally upwards. We've also seen a lot of activity on the equity counter. So these are key stocks to keep a keen eye on.
Apart from financials, which ones would you keep an eye on?
Well, I'd also look at the commercials. Access Kenya has also shown a bit of a movement upwards. So that's also another good stock to place a bet on.